Have you ever wanted or tried to whiten your teeth, but you cannot stand the pain of the peroxide, of all the chemicals, of all the stuff that they put in those strips? Well, Lumineux has an actual whitening strip that does not have any of those chemicals or peroxide. So it doesn't hurt your gums if you are very sensitive. So it's extra good for people that have high sensitivity, like myself, can't stand these other brands. And I tried this for the very first time a few weeks ago. My wife and I were blown away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it again today. We're gonna see the before and after pictures, and then we'll get back and see what it's all about. As you can see from the before and after pictures, this stuff works. Super simple to apply. Comes into 2 little strips per treatment. The box has 14 strips, which basically results in 7 treatments. And the treatments should be 30 minutes. The pictures you saw there were after only 15 minutes. So imagine the results. It's absolutely incredible. It tastes really nice. Actually, it's like a minty, fresh, lemony kind of zesty feeling in your mouth. Once you're done the treatment, just take them off. Rinse your mouth with a little bit of water. Do not drink or eat 30 minutes after the treatment, and your teeth are going to be whitened and a much more brighter smile for weeks to come. It's fantastic.